When we were here last time, all that we basically had completed was the enabling works and the base of the unit was in. We didn't have any walls or structure up. As you'll be able to see from the video now, the steel frame has gone up. A lot of the walls are in place, and now you can start to get a sense of the size of the room and the layout of the area. As you know, we're pleased with the money raised by Macmillan, their partners, National Garden Scheme and the Welsh Government, that this will be a modern 21st century fit for purpose building. It's not going to be too clinical in its look and feel. It's meant to be homely and welcoming and warm, and as the patient representative and the project board has said, you literally feel like you get a touch when you come into the unit, and that's the kind of feeling that we want to carry on. We're just at the start of the corridor for the inpatient area, but here the first few rooms are actually relatives' rooms for them to stay overnight. And I'm standing in one of the patient bedrooms here. As you can see, it's fairly large. Each of the rooms as well is en suite, and there's a decent sized shower bathroom area here as well.